Good morning, 7th class students. Today is Monday and it is time for our subject science. In last class, we already discussed about nutrition in amoeba. Now we are discussing about the nutrition in human beings. It means, and what is the way of nutrition in human beings. We already discussed about the many steps of digestion, many steps of nutrition in amoeba, like ingestions, digestion, assimilations, egestion, like that. Okay, absorptions. So same type of steps also followed by human beings, but some are the difference because amoeba is a unicellular and human being is a multicellular animals. So what are the main steps? So before discuss about that, we are just studying about some small points or important points about that. Ingested food is carried by the digestive system. Ingested food is carried by the digestive system. Digestive system means which consists of mouth. It means this is the mouth, and then esophagus, that is the food pipe inside that, and then stomach. It means this is the way of food which goes to the downside in our body when we are ingested this food. It means when we are already taken this food. Now after that, small intestine, large intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas and anus. So these are the steps, or these are the things which can use or which can perform some activities during the digestion of food or nutrition in food. Okay, so main part of food is goes to that mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and after that just goes out through anus or rectum. Okay, so these are the main part. Okay, here this liver, gallbladder and pancreas is only glands which secrete some juices. Okay, which secrete some enzymes which help in digestion of food. Then from the part of digestive system, from esophagus means food pipe. Esophagus means food pipe to the anus. It means starting to at last is known as alimentary canal. Okay, in human beings it is up to 9 meters. It is up to 9 meters long, this alimentary canal, and in this alimentary canal, this is the average alimentary canal of human beings, and generally in this 9 meter, 6.5 is a small intestine. 6.5 meter is small intestine. So total esophagus to anus is known as alimentary canal. Esophagus to anus is known as alimentary canal. First is, it means when we will ingest this food, first we will take in the mouth. This is also process name is ingestion. This process name is ingestion. It means taking of food into the mouth is known as ingestion. Some physical churning, it means physical digestion also started here. And when food is mixed with saliva, it means from the salivary glands, amylase and ptyalin, some enzymes are just released in our mouth, which is known as watering of mouth when we are seeing any food or like that. So that is the saliva which help in digestion. It means which help to start the digestion in our mouth also. So from the mouth, the process of digestion start inside the mouth. It means when we are already taken the food inside our mouth, then it start inside the mouth. It start inside the mouth. It means the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity, and it contains different type of teeth. Okay, and mouth, it means the buccal cavity. Mouth other name is buccal cavity because here we are having a jaws. It means the different teeth structures here, and this is also known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. It contains different type of teeth. It contains different. You generally seen in the mirror, our teeth all are not in regular shape. It means not are in equal shape. Okay, some different shape teeth also present in our mouth, and their names are also different. So different type of teeth which help in chewing of the food and break into small pieces. Okay, so different type of teeth. Let's say 4 different type of teeth are present in our mouth, and their works are also different. So what is the use of tongue here? Tongue just mix with the saliva. It means just send the food into the other type of teeth. Okay, just send there, and here one process is name is mastication. Mastication means when teeth help in chewing of food and break into small pieces. It means this is known as mastication of food. Mastication of food means breaking these complex food materials into the simpler ones and mix with the saliva, mix with the inside the mouth, mix with the. It means chewing of food is also known as mastication. Now the our teeth are also major types. We are just classifying into two types. That is the temporary teeth and that is other one is permanent teeth. One is temporary teeth and other one is permanent teeth. So you've seen that this is also named as a milk teeth. This is also named as a milk teeth. First set of teeth which develops in a child. Okay, so after the birth, when a child, it means after 6 months to 2 years, there is a on the after the birth, there is a after 5 to 6 months or till 2 years. It means up to 2 years, there is a chance of a set of teeth just inside our mouth is produced. That is name is temporary teeth, and this 2 years, and children starts losing their these teeth by the age of 6 to 8. It means once they develop this permanent teeth, okay, it means after 5-6 months to up to 2 years, it means all teeth will come because they are in 20 in number. Okay, generally permanent teeth are 20 in number, and our temporary teeth are 20 in number, and permanent teeth are 32 in number. 32 in number. So till 2 years they are just germinating, means just producing into our jaws, and children start losing their these teeth by the age of 6 to 8. It means when they are becoming the age, okay, getting the age of 6 or to 8, they are just losing these teeth, because that after that there is a time for permanent teeth. There is a time of permanent teeth. So I hope you understood about that. What is this permanent teeth? Okay, this is the teeth which is started to produce after 6 months to 2 years. Okay, whole teeth, because first 2 teeth will, after that 4 teeth will come, then up to 20 teeth will come in 2 years, and children start this losing their these teeth by the age of 6 to 8. It means after 6 to 8, these teeth are generally started to lose, because there is a time to come this teeth of this permanent teeth, which are 32 in number. So when milk teeth, this is also known name as milk teeth, falls of one by one, the new teeth appear. Okay, when milk teeth will falls one by one, then new teeth will appear and remain for the whole life are called, and this permanent will remain for the whole life. This permanent will remain for the whole life are called permanent teeth. This, it means permanent teeth will be it means adjusted in our mouth for whole life. They are 32 in numbers, 16 in each jaw. 16 in each jaw. It means they are total number are 32, but in each jaw, it means lower jaw and this is upper jaw. Lower jaw and upper jaw. So lower jaw contains 16 teeth and upper jaw also contains 16 teeth. So total 32. 4 type of teeth present in our mouth. Okay, so the different types, it means on the depend on their functioning. It means what are the works. We are just categorize these teeth into 4 types. Teeth into 4 types. It means what is the work of in our mouth. It means grinding, chewing, okay, tearing, okay, so biting. So these are the different functions can be done by the teeth. On the basis of that, we are just categorized into 4 different types. That is name is, first is incisors, help in biting the food. It means help in biting to bite the food. We are generally use this incisor. They are 18 number. They are total 18 number, because 4 are at down. Okay, it means lower jaw, and 4 are in upper jaw. Okay, so these are the lower jaw and these are the upper jaw. So total 18 number. Canines help in tearing the food, because generally non-vegetarian, okay, non-veg eating animals like lion and tiger having this too much sharp edge, these canines, and that's why they are 4 in number, and generally they can bite, tear the flesh only with the help of these canines. Okay, so they are 4 in number, because 2 at lower jaw and 2 at upper jaw. So total 4 in number. Next is premolars, help in grinding the food. To grind and churning the food, we need this premolars. They are total also in 8 number. They are 8 in number because 4 at lower jaw and 4 at upper jaw. Okay, I will show in the diagram where is the situations of this incisor, canine, premolars and molars. So last one is molars that help in chew and grind the food. So molars generally help in chewing and grinding the food. Okay, so both works can be done by molars, and they are 12 in number. They are 12 in number, and these are the molars which are not present in our child. It means not present in temporary teeth. Okay, so these 12 are just reduced from our in our not present or just reduced in our temporary teeth. So temporary teeth are 20 and they are 32. So this difference of this 12 only is due to that absence of molars in child, absence of molars in children. Okay, because these 12 at last are not getting, because 3 1 at last, 3 here long at lower jaw and 3 upper jaws at last and 3 upper jaws at last. So these 12 numbers are not present in temporary, but they are present in permanent teeth. Okay, so now we can see with the help of this diagram, these all are the shape of this teeth. Okay, and I am showing from here. You can easily see that what is the number and which teeth are present. Okay, so temporary teeth, this is the diagram, and this is diagram for permanent teeth. This diagram is for permanent teeth. So first I will explain the where is the situation of okay, or where is the establishment of teeth in our mouth. So these are the temporary teeth. Okay, so first of all I am showing here only one jaw from out of this 2 jaw. It means lower jaw I am showing here. Okay, it means maybe lower or upper, no problem, but lower jaw, one jaw in this and one jaw in this. So lower jaw I am showing because here this 10, and when it is multiplied by 2, because upper one I am adding, then it will be a 20. Here it is a 16 in number. Okay, only one jaw, and after that I am adding this upper one jaw also, that is contain 32 total in number. So first 4 you can see 1 2 3 4. These first 4 is known name as incisors. Okay, I means incisor, C means canines, P means premolars, and M means molars. So first 4 one is name as I. It means incisor like 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and after that 1 1. Okay, after that 1 1. So these 4 in each jaw contains, when twice then it will contain to 8. So 4 lower one, it means 1 2 3 4 is known as incisor. Then 1 2 1 2, it is known as name as canines. And after that at last 2, one is known as premolars, name as premolars. Okay, so these are the total 10 number you can count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this out of 10, 4 premolars, 1 1 canines, and 4 front, 1 2 3 4 are incisors. Okay, so these are the structure of our temporary teeth. Now we can see the permanent teeth. What is the structure which is in after 13 to 14 years? You can see in our mouth there is a permanent teeth structure. So what is the new formation in the permanent teeth instead of this temporary teeth? We are just adding only this last 3 in each jaw. It means 6, total 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This molar we are just adding in each jaw. So in each jaw if we are adding 6, then in 2 jaws we are adding just 12, and which is the most differentiations in between the temporary and permanent teeth. So these last 3 are molars. So first we have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So these 16 are, and last 3. Okay, last 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 are molars. Then 1 2 3 4 are premolars. Then 1 1 canines, and front 4 1 2 3 4, which is same. Okay, only difference is that this one. Okay, this 6 molars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are just different with temporary teeth. So this is the structure for our teeth. So I means incisors, 2, these 4 are incisors in each jaw, 2 are canines in each jaw, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are premolars in each jaw, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are molars in each jaw. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so what is the structure of teeth, how they established or having a situated in our mouth, okay, and our buccal cavity. So this is the, so okay, these are the 8, 4, 8, 12 is the total number of teeth in each jaw. When we are making twice, because when we are adding with the upper jaw, with the lower jaw, then this will be double. So you can understood this 8, it means in lower jaw there is a 4, 2 means lower jaw add a 2, and when 8 it means lower jaw 4, and 12 means lower jaw 6. Okay, so you can understood. Thank you.